After watching this video, anyone will start earning 100% guarantee. So,
if you complete this ebook in 5 hours, you will get paid $500. If you complete this one in 4 hours, you get paid $400. This one here is about 3.5 hours of reading. It will earn you $300. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get paid thousands of dollars every single month from simply reading books. So the first thing you have to do here is to go to acx.com. Once again, the website is called acx.com. Audiobook Creation Exchange, or ACX in short, is a website that sells audiobooks through huge online retailers like Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. If you scroll down here, you will see that they have over 294,000 audiobooks that are currently on sale on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. So once you are on this website, I need you to click here where it says actor or producer. By the way, do not worry if you do not have the book reading skills yet. In order to create your first audios, you can simply visit their ACX University here, and you will get lots of free training on how you can produce, publish, and even market great sounding audios. After that, you need to find a book that will suit your voice. So click on this button here where it says, Find Titles Open for Auditions. And on this page you will see the list all the books and the authors that are looking for readers for their books. There are currently 2,211 book titles that are looking for readers. And if you scroll down here, you can see that there is over 180 pages containing lists of these books. Also, the good thing about this is that they have books added onto this list every single day. So you can be assured that you will always be earning money using this website. You can also sort all these books by their Amazon sales ranking, or by relevance, or by most recent. As you can see on the left side here, you can filter these books by genre, gender, compensation, fiction, language, and many other categories that you see below here. Let us click on genre, and then I am going to select these two genres here, for example, and then I will click on apply. And you can see, I now have 110 titles to select from. I can even filter these books by gender, like this, and then select male, and click apply. I now have 64 books that I can read. As for the vocal style, I can click here, and then select engaging. I now have 7 options available. So once you find the books that you will be interested to read. Next, we are going to check out how to upload your voice samples, and how to make it easier for authors to easily find you, and get to pay. So, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so you are going to have to select from these book titles which books you would like to read. This book is called Living a More Thoughtful Life, and you can see here that it has about 6,910 words. Down here are the requirements that you will need to satisfy. For example, this is a non-fiction book. It is written in English, and they require a male reader. They are looking for an adult voice, and the vocal style they want is motivational speaker. If you scroll back up again, you will see here that the estimated length is 0.7 hours, and the project budget is between $200 to $400 per finished hour. Here is another book called Vicious Love, and it has 78,714 words in total. The estimated length is about 8.5 hours. And if you scroll down here, you will see that the required language is English. They are looking for either a male or a female voice. By the way, always remember to read the further comments on each book for more details. Here is another book called The 7 Laws of Mastering Your Mind, and the project budget here is indicated as royalty share. This means that you are not going to be paid once you finish this book, but rather, you will be earning a commission every time the audiobook is bought on Amazon for life. This is a great passive income strategy. The only downside with this payment system is that, if the book is not doing well on Amazon, you might end up not getting paid. So before you decide to choose this type of payments, be sure to click here where it says View this title on Amazon, and you will be redirected to the book's Amazon sales page. Check to see if the book has gotten good ratings on Amazon. Also scroll down the page, and check for the customer reviews on this book. If the book is already doing well on Amazon, it also means people will most likely purchase the audiobook also. So once you have selected a book that you would like to read, you are required to create your profile on this website by signing up. The next step is that you will be required to upload your samples onto your profile. Here, you can tag as many samples as you want, in order to improve your chances of getting authors to find you. Next, you need to specify how you would want to get paid. Like I mentioned earlier, you can either select to get paid per finished hour rate, or you can choose to get paid 50% of royalties. Once you have completed that step, then you will need to audition for a book. This means you are going to download an audition script that they give you, and you essentially record yourself narrating a few minutes of the manuscript. And if the author selects your audition, they will send you an offer. Next, you will have to accept the offer and agree with the rights holder on the delivery dates for the first 15 minutes of the audio. After that, you start recording your audio. When you have prepared the first 15 minutes of the recording, you will need to submit it to the rights holder so that they can give you feedback on your recording. If they approve your reading, then you can proceed to record the remainder of the project. If you should choose to, you may prefer to work with other studio professionals. And after you have completed the full recording, then you will upload it onto the website in order to meet with the audio submission requirements. Before your full payment is sent to you, the rights holder must approve the full audiobook. They may or may not request some changes at this stage. After that, you will get your payment. And if you want to earn even more money on acx.com, just keep auditioning for even more audiobooks just like I have shown you. But for now, let me share with you the best tips you should use in order to create top quality audiobooks. But before we do that, remember to smash the like button and to subscribe to our channel. And in the comments section below, I need you to type yes or no if you agree to the following positive statement. Also remember to comment your country name below, so that I can keep making more videos that work in your area. Now, let us get back to making money. Any audiobooks that are uploaded onto acx.com must adhere to the following requirements. First, your audios must be consistent in overall sound and formatting. Consistency in audio levels, tone, noise level, spacing, and pronunciation will give the listener an enjoyable experience, and it will help in increasing sales on Amazon. Your uploaded files must be free of extraneous sounds such as mouse clicks, excessive mouth noise, and other outtakes. Any extraneous sounds can distract listeners from the story and can invite bad reviews, which will reduce sales on Amazon. Each file must have less than 5 seconds of room tone at its beginning and at the end. This space is required to ensure that titles are successfully encoded in the many formats made available to customers. It also gives listeners an audio cue to know that they have reached the beginning or the end of a section. Each audio file must not exceed 120 minutes. Files that are over 120 minutes are not supported. So if a section is over 120 minutes long, you should find a good break in the narration and split the section into 2 files. This will help ensure that listeners can easily navigate from section to section. Each file must have no noise in the background. This is because noisy files that contain background sounds and other distractions will make it difficult for listeners to focus on the material. More information on how to meet these requirements can be found inside their ACX University, and you can also check out these other narrators' profiles to find your inspiration. And that is all you have to do. Now, if you want to learn even more ways to make money online, then subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Then click here to watch this next video to discover even more ways for you to make money online. See you in the next video.